Hello everyone, this is Dawn. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another Inspiration Collaboration Design Team mystery envelope. This month, Danielle sent out the mystery envelope and she says, "You've just been turtly surprised. Your mystery supplies include a paper that moves at a turtle's pace, but I wanted your creativity to sprint. Your challenge is to create a snappy, bold, or unexpected card design using the enclosed paper as a key design feature, not just a background. Included Turtley Cute DSP, ombre matte decorative dots, and retired twine." Okay, so this is what we have to work with. And I'm going to bring in a coordinating color. This is Pool Party. And then I'm using the two-tone Pool Party. Then I pulled some papers from Beautiful Bokeh and an older retired DSP of the Regals collection, and some white cardstock and Pretty Peacock. So I'm going to make a card using these arches dies. These are, what is this called? Everyday Arches. And then this is an older set called Friendly Fins, and it's still available in the last chance section in my online store. So I'm going to use the dolphin, and then I'm going to fussy cut this umbrella and towel from the pocket card. Okay, so I have these two guys, and then I've cut the Pool Party paper down to 5.5 inches. And I'm going to use the scoring tool on my Take Your Pick tool, the large scoring dot, and then just using the gutter in my trimmer to score a line at 4 inches and then another line at 4 inches. So I've got 3 sections, 4 inches each. And this is the darker side of Pool Party. So we'll take this out and then we'll bring in our bone folder, and I'm going to fold the right side in and then smooth it out with the bone folder, and then I'll fold the left side in. So now I've got a trifold card. Okay, so we'll bring in those arch dies, and I'm going to cut an arch out of the front of the card. I'm just deciding what size I'm going to need. First try. I think that's going to do it. Okay, so we'll tape this down. I'm using purple tape, but you could use washi tape, whatever you use. Just make sure that it's a low tack material so it doesn't tear your card when you remove your die. So I'll get that secured in place, and then I'll open up my card, and then I'm going to run it through my die cut machine. Okay. And then I'll carefully remove the die and the tape, and I can keep this arch shape for another project. I want it to cut the arch out of the front of the card. Okay, so it'll go like this. All right, so I've got my beach towel and fussy cut umbrella, and they are going to sit on the card like that and kind of hang over the arch opening. I'm going to create a beach scene. Okay, so this polka dot paper, I think it can fill in for sand. So I'm going to cut just a piece to cover that bottom portion. I'm measuring it. So I'll cut a strip of this for the front of the card. And then the rest of it, I'm going to use inside. So I'll trim that down as well for the inside. Okay, it's coming along here. All right, so that is going to be set up on the front of the card, something like that. Okay, let's work on the inside panel. Now this is the one where you took the right side and folded it in towards the middle. So it's the darker side of Pool Party. So that polka dot paper is going to sit at the bottom, and I'll be trimming that down. And I'm going to take this piece of Pretty Peacock and trim this down. It's 4 inches across. And then I'm just deciding how much I'm going to need. So I'm going to grab one of these dolphin stamps and figure out how big the dolphin is, how tall the dolphin needs to gonna be. I'm gonna start out by cutting, let's do 3.5. I can always trim it down. Let's see what it looks like on the card. That's gonna get trimmed down too. There we go. And then we'll trim that down because I want more sky above. So we'll trim that down, about 3/4 off. I think that's good. Okay, so I'm going to run this Pretty Peacock through my embossing machine. Bring this in along with the So Swirly embossing folders. There's a couple to choose from. This is the one that I have. If it's not available anymore, I'll list the other one. So you have plenty of choices. Okay, so this is not a 3D folder, so I ran it through with a regular sandwich, and we've got that So Swirly embossed design on that Pretty Peacock. And I think it kind of looks like ocean. Okay, so that'll sit like that. And then I've brought in my Misty and some white cardstock, and I decided that I didn't like any of the Stampin' Up! Grays. So I went into my Close to My Heart stash and I pulled a color called Whisper. And that's the color that I'm using for the dolphin. But check out all your grays in your stash, and you probably have something that's going to work for you. Or you could always color it in using alcohol markers. So I'm going to line up. This is a two process. There's 2 stamps to this. There's one that's a solid, and then the one that I'm doing now is the detail outline. And I'm going to stamp that in Pretty Peacock to make a happy dolphin, happy swimming dolphin. So we'll go ahead and stamp that twice just to make sure that the ink is nice and bold. And then there are coordinating dies. So I will die cut these off camera. So now we have 2 swimming dolphins. And they're going to be in the water like this. And the swirls on the embossing, I'm making sure that's the way I want it to go. And it looks like the wave is kind of going over towards the left, up and over towards the left. So yeah, that's going to work. So they're going to sit there, something like that. And then I'm going to bring in this bokeh paper. So part of it has sort of a green, blue bokeh. And then the other part is yellow, so it could look like sunset. So I'm just going to target my trimming around this. And it'll be 4 inches wide. And then we'll trim that down. And it will be the sky. Just making sure. Don't want to trim too much. Okay, so that will be the sky in the background. Okay, we're getting there. All right, so this is an older punch. It's a cloud, and unlock it first. Okay, so I'm going to punch out a couple of clouds using white cardstock. And one of them I'm going to use to stamp my sentiment on it. So just kind of deciding where I want them to go. They'll overlap each other. Be up off in the distance. So I'm going to pull the stamp that says "Make a Splash." And I'm going to stamp that on one of the clouds. However, it's too long. So I'm going to snip it, and half of it will be "Make a," and then the other is "Splash." And I'm going to stack them so that they fit inside this cloud. Don't be afraid to trim your stamps. Just be very careful and use super sharp scissors. Make them work for you. So you can always line them up on your block the way they were originally intended, and you can stamp it the way it was designed. But yeah, I want it to make sure this fit inside the cloud, so it's okay to cut your stamps. So just lining everything up, and it is a new stamp, so I need to season it. So I'm just hitting it with a microfiber towel and then rubbing it on my wrist, and that removes the film that's left over in processing in production. And we'll ink this bad boy up and stamp out "Make a Splash" on that cloud. Okay. Get cleaned up here. And then I'm going to bring my Altenew sticky mat in, and I'm going to add just a little bit of ink blending around the edges of the cloud, just so that it will pop a bit from that background. And I'm just using the Whisper color from Close to My Heart, but you could certainly bring in Pool Party, would work too. You don't want to go too dark, but just a nice light blending around the edges. So I'll do that with both of the clouds. Tapping off so I don't have like a concentrated amount of ink. Go light, and then you can always add more. So just swirl it around the edges. And then I'm going to stamp the inside. So I'm going to stamp "Happy Birthday," also in Pretty Peacock, on the inside of my card. Good to go. All right, we'll get cleaned up, and then we can start assembling. So it's gonna sit like that. Okay, so I've added an extra layer of white cardstock to the umbrella and the towel just so that they're stronger, because the towel's gonna hang over that opening in the arch. So I want to make sure that it's not too weak, and also so that it's just white when you open the card and not the pattern that's on the back of the umbrella. So we'll get that glued down. I'm using glue to assemble everything just to make sure everything's nice and sturdy and strong. So we'll add in that extra layer of quote sand, and that can go at the base on the inside, and then we'll add in our ocean. So we'll get everything lined up. I'm tucking this Pretty Peacock piece underneath the sand, and then the sky gets tucked underneath the top of the Pretty Peacock. We'll figure out where we want the dolphins to be swimming and leaping from the water. And I want to make sure that it's not covered up, so I'm checking by closing the card. And we'll go ahead and get our sentiment clouds down before we add that second dolphin. Just to make sure everything's going to fit. And we'll get that happy dolphin leaping from the water. Okay. All right, I'll pull this closer to the camera. So I'll make a list of all the supplies that I use with links in the description below. And also check out the playlist for the other Inspiration Collaboration Design Team members and see what they've done with these mystery envelope supplies. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. I'd sure appreciate it. And then you'll be able to find all of my videos. And thanks for watching.